Hi, I am Balaji Sampath, the founder of AhaGuru. For the last 20 years, I have helped thousands of class 10 students overcome one common problem. See, they study the full chapter thoroughly, but when they see the question paper in the board exam, they suddenly get stuck. Why? When I talk to the students, they tell me, I have learned the formulas, and yes, they do know the formulas really well. They have read the textbook thoroughly. They have even solved lots of problems from each of the chapters. But in the board exam, the types of questions that come up, they change. And that's where many students lose 15 to 25 marks. They get stuck and they lose quite a lot of marks. My students tell me, sir, I have studied everything, but the question that came was different. And that is not their fault. The problem is when they practice just a few question types. They haven't seen all the different types of questions from that chapter that comes up in the exam. And that is the problem. That's why we have designed this class 10 math revision course very, very differently. Each chapter is broken down into all the different problem types very clearly. And for each type, I have done 3 solved examples, all past board questions. And for each of these solved examples, I have given you very clear explanations showing you how to approach the problem starting from the concept and what formulas to use. And after you go through these solved examples, there are 20 chapter level tests that you must go through that will help you check your understanding and your application. So instead of studying randomly, when you use this course, you study systematically. For each chapter, you start with type 1 problems. First, understand what kind of question will come up in the board exam. Learn the techniques for it. Once you do this for type 1 questions, then go to type 2, then type 3, type 4, and so on. And once you finish the chapter, finally, you can do a lot of practice using the chapter tests. This is the method that we have used to help thousands of students score 95 plus marks in the board exam in mathematics. So for your board exam revision, start with the first chapter right now. Click below and start your learning journey. All the best.